So you want to learn logo design, but the problem is most courses, they just show you how to use software. They don't show you the rest of the process, the stuff that you really need to know. So in this course, you'll see me take a real logo design brief from a client on Skype. Then I'll show you how to come up with initial ideas. Then we'll break down the idea of sketching out ideas, but I'll break it up into steps so you'll come up with more ideas than you really thought possible. Then we'll cover little things like colour and fonts, and we'll go through the basics of Adobe Illustrator before we start working up the ideas. You'll get to see me getting feedback from the client on my ideas, and I'll show you how to go about making amends and how to finalise your ideas. And if you want to make money from your logo designs, I'll show you how to quote for a project, and I'll also include a sample quote and a sample invoice to get you started.